Besties, we are doing my favorite lip products. No gloss, no nothing. Just hydrate your lips and take care of them. Now, the first one, bestie, y'all know I do this in the morning before I start my videos. Vaseline is the girl. Now, this is the Cocoa Vaseline. I am running low, so Vaseline, if you see this. But anyway, this is the balm. I love this down. Like before I start all of my videos, I have to add this down. It hydrates it and it's everything. Cousin, I like this balm and it smells good. Now this is the Cream Brulee Lip Therapy by Vaseline. I grabbed this from Target for $3, and I tell you, I love her. That like this makes your lips soft and kissable. Now I don't have no man, but if you got a man or girlfriend, your lips will be kissable. Now, my lip balm girls. Now, y'all know my lip glosses and oils. I love Aquaphor down. This is the Aquaphor sunscreen lip balm. I love this. This came from Target for like $5, and I love her down. If you just want like a good like lip balm, she is that girl. Now, if you want a lip balm with the extra TLC, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip balm. Now, this is the blue one. I love this down. Like, I love this down. Like, it's the bomb.com. One of my favorite go-tos for the summer, if you're sitting by the porch, just anywhere, bestie, this might be a little better. Now, this is the Tree Hut Lip Butter. Now, this is my favorite one. Girl, she smells just like the watermelon Tree Hut scrub. As you have a full-on lip come on, I would try this on camera for y'all, but I love this down, bestie. But bestie, comment down below, girl, what is your staple into having soft, kissable lips, besties? And until next time.